Hey everyone, Jingle Jeff here. I need you to click and subscribe because this channel's for you and you won't miss a thing when I release something new. Okay, off you go. Counting 1 to 10 is very easily done. Follow Jingle Jeff and we'll have lots of fun. Learning French numbers rather handy to know. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 80. You're doing really good, I think you got them all right. Shall we make it harder? Close your eyes tight. The numbers need to stay inside your head for all time, but no peeking. Look, I'll even close mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 80. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 80. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 80. Now if you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up for me. Comment below, let me know what else you'd like to see, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Jingle Jeff, and I'll keep the videos coming. See you later.